Hi, good afternoon. We're going to do an unboxing and setup of the Goehners, which is spelled Goehners bicycle repair stand. I would like you to stick around to the end of the video because I will actually show you a demonstration of it working on my bike. There are several reasons that I bought this particular bike stand. One, it can take up to 110 pounds. I've got an e-bike, so my e-bike is about 65 to 70 pounds, and I don't want something that's going to be collapsing all the time. Second of all, Goehner's has a very, very good reputation. Third, it's got a bike, like a bike tool holder. And what else? Oh, and it can take up to a 3-inch tube. So for my e-bike, that was probably necessary. So I've already opened the box up. It comes well packed. Thing I like about this is so first of all, it's got nice large tubes. I'm expecting that's going to make it nice and robust, nice and strong. It seems to be well packed. Nice color. Not that color is that important, but it is a nice color. All right, let's see. All right, so we got it in the right position. Just pull it out. That seems to slide very nice. I have read some reviews, and they basically said you need to make sure that everything is tightened up before you put your bike on it. So you got a cam lock here. That'll help you to go up and down on it. So I just want to make sure it's tight enough that it's not going to loosen off. All right. And you also have a cam lock up here. So this would just adjust the height. So we'll just lock it in that position. It does have legs or feet on the bottom here. And it seems quite solid. All right. So once again, a cam lock, so it'll be easily tightened and loosened. So you put the second bolt in there. All right. that's her. She's all together. So imagine you've got a button here. So you can go straight up and down if you wish. Okay. So that opens this so that you can turn it sideways, back and forth, whatever. You want to lock it in one position. There you go, it's locked. You want to lock this into where it's going to go, so you just spin this on fairly tight. Fairly tight. There you go, nice and solid. I'm assuming when you move this, you'll just pull the tray off. And it's adjustable up and down. Perfect. Well, I guess the only thing to do now is to move outside and see how. All right, we had a struggle to get the stand mounted. So I don't think I'd want to be mounting a heavier bike than mine. But it mounted on the seat post. And it seems nice and solid.